In this tutorial I will show you how to do a 3D drawing. Okay, on your left side, if you can see. So all the dimension will be in centimeter. Okay, first of all you need to go to the start and mechanical and also part design and click OK. So you will be inside of a part design. Okay, all the tools you can just take out and reorganize back. Okay, it's easier for you if you take out all the tools. Then select the plane. In this case we will select the XY plane. So we are in the XY plane. So the idea is we will draw from the top view of the drawing. Okay, first of all we can take the rectangle. Okay, so dimension of horizontal is 2.4. Select 2.4 in centimeter. So make sure the dimension in centimeter. Then the vertical is 1.12. Okay, so we have this drawing. So you can select to make it in center. Okay. You can select the distance. So in order to be in center, you can select from the line to the vertical line to be a distance. So we just take half of it. So it should be in 1.2. Okay, so now we draw it in center. So try to practice this one. Okay, now we zoom the drawing. Okay, next we plan to do the box, the front part. Okay, so the distance is 4.7 total. Okay, minus with 1.12, so means 3.8. 3.58. So we can sketch a drawing. It's about 3.58. Okay. Then the width is 1.4. Okay, so we try to center the block. So the distance is 0.5 from left and right. So we try to check, is it balance? So it's balance, means 0.5 left and right. Okay, good. Okay, next we can start to draw the top triangle. So we can select the center, the reference axis. So in this case, this correct will be 0.7 in the middle. So next we can select the continuous line in order to do the triangle. Select the intersection center, and make it a triangle there, then you can select the angle which is expected to be 60 degree. Okay, do the reselection. So the degree is 60 degree. Okay, so now we have the triangle. What we need to do is we need to trim the distance. So yeah, the line which is not related, in order for us to have a block of the main design. So now what we can do, okay, so I have done some mistakes. We just continue the line, undo. Okay, so we can constrain it just to make it all in green color or fixed. Okay, so next we should we can go out from the interface to be in the main interface workbench, then select pad. Okay, so the height, we take the maximum height, which is 1.9 centimeter. Okay, so we have the total height of the main geometry. Next, we can zoom it and start to do a blocking, or we call it as a hole. Okay, then select which surface that we want to do the sketch drawing in order for us to do the hole. Okay, this is just a recommended. It's easier to sketch first is outside from the drawing before we can coincide with the main block. Okay, to minimize the mistakes. Okay, now we want to have the distance. So it's 1.9 minus this 1.12, so you get the distance from the top until the block, okay, the first block. So the distance for vertical is 0.78. Okay, then the distance from the first block to the end is 4.7 minus 1.12. So we get 3.58. Okay, then just put the dimension of 3.58. So now we get the exact rectangle in order for us to do the hole. So what we can do next is we just coincide the line with the line of the drawing. Okay. So it will be automatically the box will be automatically fit to the main block of our 3D. So we just go out from the sketch and select pocket. In this case, we want it to be until the end, or we can select the last, so it will be cut until the last face. Okay, surface. Okay, now we already cut it, so it become okay. Next we want to do the blocking, the pocket, okay, or the hollow. Okay, so we want to do from the top. Okay, so what we need to do is we can just select from the continuous line. So we can do the triangle first. Okay, with the angle, with the height of 0.76. Okay, and the angle of 60 degree. Okay. Okay, we can coincide. Okay, the two lines in order for this triangle fit. Okay. Okay, there is some error. Is over constraint. So what we need to do is we need to check back. So there is an angle over constraint. Just delete it, and you can directly do the pocket. Okay. Then select the pocket with the height of 0.44. You can select which direction, reverse direction, in order for us to get the correct direction. So in this case, we put 0.44, but there is you need to make sure the type should select the correct type. So you need to select the dimension type with 0.44 distance. So then we will get the correct pocket. Okay. Okay, done. Okay, next we want to do the circle, hollow circle. Select the surface, select the sketch, and we can do the circle. It's a dimension of diameter of 0.5. Okay, then we can start to do the constraint dimension. The distance is about 1.38. Then the vertical dimension from the block is 0, from bottom is 0.56. Okay, so we just go up from the sketch interface, then select pocket, and select up to last. You can preview it before you select OK. Okay, done for the hollow. Next, we will move at the end, at the back one. Okay. The similar step, first select which plane that we want to do the pocket. In this case, we want to do the behind pocket. So, select the top surface, select sketch. and do a rectangle there at the bottom from the top view, with the dimension of horizontal is 2.4, sorry, the vertical is 0.4 and the horizontal line, the distance is 1.4. Okay, next we can make sure the distance is correct. So the distance from the side view is 0.5. Should be 0.5. So we balance at the middle of the block. Okay. So let's recheck back. Correct. So constraint. Local means of a constraint. So then we can do the pocket. Okay. In this case, I show you one by one, but actually you can do in the similar sketch. For example, from the top view, you can do the bottom and any pocket from that surface. Okay, so we do the coincide because we forget to do it just now. So it should be okay there. Then just select pocket until the last of the type of up to last. Okay, just select OK. So done. So the last one we can do the last pocket at the side, at the front of the surface. So you can select the surface. Okay, then select sketch. So we can start to do a rectangle there. Okay, with the distance of vertical 0.4. And the horizontal is 1. So coincide each line. With the part design. So the distance is 0.7 from the side way. This is for just to check. Okay, should be no problem. And next, doing the similar concept of pocket. Okay, in terms of drawing, it depends on the creativity of individual. Okay, in this drawing, this tutorial I show you one by one. Especially, it's easier for a new person in CATIA. Okay. But for expert, I think this is you can do it very fast. No need to do one by one. But the similar concept, do the main block, then you can cut, or you can make it a pocket. In this CATIA we call it pocket. So done. So this is the simple drawing of 3D models. So thank you very much.